Blessings, praise the Lord. Ladies and gentlemen, namaskar and a very good evening. I, Advocate Dr. Anil Messi, stand before you today with a heart full of gratitude and a profound sense of honor as we gather here to celebrate and recognize the incredible achievements of individuals who have dedicated their lives to the cause of human rights. I extend my warmest greetings to each and every of you present here at the Uttam Bharat Puraskar Award Distribution function organized by GHRT India, Global Human Rights Trust India. In a world often marred by conflicts and disparities, the work undertaken by GHRT India resonates as a beacon of hope. This not-for-profit organization, with its affiliation to the United Nations, UNDESA, serves as a testament to the unwavering commitment to the principles of human rights. Today, we come together not merely to acknowledge the accomplishments of a few, but to honor the collective spirit that strives for a more just, equitable, and compassionate world. The Uttam Bharat Puraskar Awards holds a special place in our hearts as they recognize those who have made exemplary contribution in various fields aligned with the promotion and protection of human rights. These individuals have exhibited courage, resilience, and unyielding dedication to the upholding the inherent dignity and rights of every individual, regardless of background, race, or creed. As we witness the distribution of these prestigious awards here, let us reflect on the tireless efforts of the recipients who have emerged as a beacons of change in their communities. Their stories inspire us to strive a world where justice and equality are not merely aspiration, but the cornerstone of our shared humanity. GHRT India collaborations with the United Nations is a testament to the global relevance of their work. It underscores the importance of the collective action in addressing the challenges that transcend borders and impact us all. Let us therefore pledge our continued support to organizations like GHRT India champion the cause of human rights on the global stage. Before I conclude, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to GHRT India for their relentless efforts in advancing the cause of human rights. Your commitment to creating a more just human world is commendable, as we are privileged to witness the fruits of your labor through these awards. To the awardees, thank you for your selfless dedication and for being the driving force behind positive change. Your actions inspire us to believe in the power of individual to make a difference. In closing, let us carry the spirit of this event with us and strive to be advocates for human rights in our own spheres of influence. Together we can contribute to the creation of Uttam Bharat and exemplary India, and a world where the principle of human rights are upheld and respected by all. Thank you, and may we continue to work hand in hand towards a brighter and more influensive future. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram. God bless all. Thank you so much, all dignitaries, everybody present here. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. अवार्डीज से रिक्वेस्ट है जो अवार्डीज